Welcome to the Premier Disc video, where you will learn how easy it is to sharpen the Gracey 1112 curette. We will review its intended use and the important parts of this instrument tip, as well as common problems to avoid in sharpening, and, most importantly, just how easy it is to use the disc sharpener for predictable sharpening results every time. All Gracey curettes are designed with one cutting blade on each opposite working end. The Gracey 1112 curette has a slight curvature on the shank to adapt to the posterior teeth. The terminal shank is the lowest section on the overall shank, which is closest to the working toe. The cutting edge is identified when the instrument is held straight up with the terminal shank positioned perpendicular to the floor. The lower edge of the offset blade is the cutting edge. When comparing the differences between a scaler and a curette, you will find that the scaler has a pointed tip and triangular back to the working end, whereby the curette displays a rounded toe and smooth rounded back to its working end. The Gracey 1112 curette is site-specific and used on all posterior teeth, which includes premolars and molars on both arches. It is used primarily for root planing and as a follow-up to extensive subgingival calculus deposit removal. When applied to each of the posterior teeth, the Gracey 1112 curette is inserted at a 0 to 40 degree angle and opened to 70 to 75 degrees to activate the scaling strokes, beginning at the distal line angle and continuing across the entire buccal or lingual surfaces, and finishes at the mesial surface. The most efficient way to complete a scaling procedure for each quadrant is to begin at the most posterior tooth and scale each successive tooth, moving in an anterior direction. Limitations when using a handheld stone include establishing precise angles and maintaining control, selecting the proper stone, increased chance of injury. Sharp instruments keep you at peak efficiency while minimizing physical stress. Your patients will appreciate an efficient procedure with greatest comfort to them. The Premier Disc Sharpener eliminates the need to remember which angles are required for each instrument design. The guesswork is eliminated because the settings are clearly marked on the disc wheel. It is easy to sterilize. The ceramic stones are ideal for maintaining instruments daily and require no lubrication before use. The proper setting to sharpen the Gracey 1112 curette on the disc sharpener is the uppercase letter J. Rotate the wheel so that the letter J lines up with the indicator line. Tighten the screw. When placing the cutting edge on the front stone, the toe faces the wheel as the handle of the instrument is aligned parallel to the bold reference lines on the wheel. Then, simply move the instrument blade across the stone while keeping your wrist steady so the instrument remains aligned with the bold reference lines during the entire stroke. The final step requires the operator to roll the handle in a gentle grasp so that the curette is finished in a smooth rounding of the toe. To sharpen the opposite working end, flip the instrument and position the cutting edge on the back stone and repeat the same sharpening steps. Finally, take a test stick and apply the sharpened cutting edge to the stick to check for bite, as this indicates a successfully sharpened instrument. Regardless of whether you are sharpening a Gracey curette or more complex designs, the disc gives you complete confidence you are sharpening each instrument correctly for predictable, efficient results in clinical use. Premier utilizes Smart Sharp technology, a proprietary process for well-defined edges that are easy to sharpen. Premier instruments are available in a wide variety of handles: Light Touch, Big Easy, and Big Easy Ultralight. Big Easy Ultralight scalers and curettes offer the ultimate in ergonomics and comfort. The lightweight, large 1/2-inch diameter handle weighs up to 30% less than other instruments. They are surprisingly light. The handle is an advanced technology polymer with medical-grade silicone grips to offer exceptional lightness and durability. Premier has introduced many innovations in the area of instrumentation. These include the novel PerioWise color-coded probe, ideally suited for a quick screening or a full examination. Implant scalers made of graphite-reinforced resin have thin, sharp tips with well-defined edges to effectively remove calculus and plaque, but will not scratch implants. Since 1913, Premier has established itself as a world leader in dental instrumentation, utilizing time-proven procedures completed by skilled craftsmen, all in accordance with Premier's quality system. When you choose Premier, you are selecting over 100 years of experience in quality manufacturing. The family tradition is now in its 4th generation.